Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. I hope you feel blessed and loved today. Enjoy this video. Alright. Today we are going to put mulch around all the flowers. They are coming along nicely. It's kind of a chaotic mess in here, but that's how I like it. So I'm going to freshen it up with some black mulch. I'm just trying to work here. Excuse me, I'm trying to work here. Huh? What are you doing? Would you like a nut? I've got work to do. Please. Don't put it in there. Oh my gosh, stop. No. Okay. I actually brought some of those zinnia and Cosmo out. And if I remember right, 2 to 3 foot tall on the lower end. And so I need to find places to put them. Right now, they're just going to sit in their container until I'm ready. Ladybugs are a blessing to find in your garden. They feast on aphids and can consume 50 to 60 per day. Here is one hunting them on the underside of my tomato plant leaves. Looks like it was another successful catch. Oh my gosh. I love this salvia. Love it, love it. Oh, I feel like something's on my back. I introduced the perennial plant salvia to my cottage garden this year. Insects, bumblebees, butterflies, hummingbirds, they all love these flowers. I was so excited to start milkweed in my garden. After all, I love monarch butterflies, and milkweed are the only plants they will lay their eggs on, and their caterpillars feed on the leaves. I had to use cold stratification on the seeds where I stored them in the refrigerator for up to 6 weeks. The glow stick plant was also added to my garden this year. The bright yellow flowers bloom from summer through fall and, of course, attract many pollinators. Oh my God! Would you stop jumping on me? Oh, always bearing it in my neck. Why did you do that? Today we are going to, I'm being violated. So today we are adding mulch to the, it's hard to concentrate. Get out of the house. Because I haven't worn this before and there's so many pockets. It's confusing. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.